So first step is we're gonna cream together our butter and our sugars. We have 1 cup of butter or 2 sticks, 1 cup of sugar, and 1 cup of brown sugar. And we're gonna beat in 2 eggs and 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract. And in a separate bowl, we're gonna whisk 2½ cups of flour, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of salt. And we are gradually gonna add our flour mixture into our wet ingredients. Okay, so now we're ready to mix in our fun ingredients. So we have 1½ cups of coconut chips, 2 cups of pretzels. We broke these up in a Ziploc bag, and 1½ cups of M&Ms. So using a baking sheet covered in parchment paper, we are going to scoop out our dough. Now you can use whatever size you'd like, and using very clean hands, you're going to shape them into balls and place them 3 inches apart. So once your balls are prepared on the sheet, right before they go in the oven, we are using the spoon to flatten them out a little bit. And in our 350-degree preheated oven, the cookies are going to go in, and these are going to bake for 12 to 14 minutes or until golden brown. So our cookies baked for 14 minutes, and now we are transferring them over to a cooling rack to chill. Thank you so much for watching, guys. We hope you had fun, and make sure to subscribe to our channel and click on the notification bell for more videos.